Alright, so we got a package here today from Utah Airguns. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. I got a hat. I didn't even order a hat. That's fucking cool. A t-shirt too? What? I didn't even order any of that. That's pretty cool though. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, we got some Javelin slugs and some FX 22 grains hybrid slugs. Nice. So what else we got? 218, 217, 21 grainers. So this is so we can test which size and diameter that my FX impact shoots the best. Oh man, I'm so excited. So my FX impact's in 22 cal, obviously. I've heard that these do good in the pellet liner, so we will try that out first probably, because I have the factory pellet liner in here, so I might roll it over to the slug port and then go from there. Man, I'm pretty excited about these. I don't even know how to open these. Let's see if we can open them. Here we go. 217s. I'm pretty sure that my gun's gonna like the 217s. It's a little pill. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Pretty excited. Let's see what these hybrids look like. Okay, alright. So, right off the bat, I can see a difference in the hybrids and the Javelins. The Javelins had a clean cut. This first slug that I pulled out of the hybrids has a rough cut hollow point, but I'm sure that's not really going to matter much in flight. Some of these are turned around. I wonder what. Alright guys, well, that's all I have for today's video. In the next video, we're going to do some testing. So I have been shooting a 22 cal 18 grain pellets at about 9-10 feet per second. So I have the pellet port oriented right now, and I'm shooting what do we got? 15 power wheel, 4.5 quick tune. Regulator number 1 is at 160-ish. 170 bar. Yeah, so we gotta add some air to this bad boy. Alright, I haven't put air in this thing for about 2 weeks. It's just been kind of sitting. Alright, stay tuned for more videos, guys. Oh yeah, let me open this first. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh, I got a medium Utah Airguns shirt. Unfortunately, I'm a 2XL because I'm a big boy. Alright, but that's cool. Alright, thanks for watching today's video, guys. Today we are going to possibly set up and shoot a couple of these, or we'll wait till next time I'm out here, but stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching. Peace.